Hello guys, good morning. It's a rain shower outside. I was tired. I was lazy to go because it's a rain shower. Rain shower, rain shower. I'm sitting here in the bowling room. Just another rainy Sunday afternoon. Sunday more. It's not. Today's not Sunday. It's a Friday. I, I cannot. Meta always ask me to give tax info. Ask me about PayPal, but I don't have any PayPal because I don't have any valid ID, only voter certification. Because I was not staying here before Philippines. I was working outside Philippines for a long, long time. That's why, and then I only have a temporary national ID. It's not approved. Temporary national ID not yet come on the original one. I already follow up it. I, because I was also worried because Meta said it's only up to March 9 expired if I cannot give the tax info. I already have the number, but yeah, before when I was still I was single, ladies, very long time ago. The number, how can I don't know how much my earnings. It's a long time already. Always asking me about the tax info, but I don't mind it. I didn't mind it because you know I thought it's not. I was confusing if it's really true, but it's from Meta because I don't have any good contents, only just for enjoying memories on Facebook. Bye, guys. Have a blessed Friday. Take care, all of us. Stay safe.